ticker symbol NSEH. We looked at this one on the 6th, and that was going to be at 0007, currently traded at 0005. I said wait for buying, needs to break the 30-day simple moving average, 001. That was going to be over here on the 6th. It looks like it got through there, and it got through the 20-day, and got up there to the 30-day, just rejected it. I would have loved to see a close up there above that, but evidently there was a gap right here. You guys pulled back down. Now you guys are sitting on that support level. That 0005 is going to be a must hold. I mean, if you start seeing 0004s start tapping, I'd be a little bit nervous, but I don't think the juice is gone here, in my personal opinion. Watch for that buying to push you back up. I mean, you're gonna just need to make it through these areas. Again, that 0008 is going to be that key area to get above and close. A nice solid move up to it. Opening at 0005, say you close it at 0005 and you open at 0005 tomorrow, and you go up to 0007. The next day you close at 0007 tomorrow, and then you open it at 0007 the next day, and then you get up higher. That is the kind of move that you would like to see here. Okay, just that solid move. You want to avoid any gaps at all cost. I mean, sometimes you have no control over that, but it's just people trying to bum rush in. Obviously out of your control. So that's what we're going to be watching for. Unfortunately, it didn't happen right now. I thought for sure that it was going to start turning around, and it didn't. So we're going to be looking for that to start happening.
All right. Excuse me. So there hasn't been any recent press releases, but there was, I went over onto the filings. I see an 8K from today, and it was regards to departures of directors or certain officers. So on March 1st, 2017, Mr. Kevin Yates resigned his position as Chief Executive Officer. Mr. Yates retains his position as Chairman of the Board of Directors. There was no disagreements between the company and Mr. Yates on any matter. On March 1st, the company's Board of Directors appointed Mr. Scott Roboleski as its Chief Executive Officer. Biographical information for Mr. Roboleski is as follows. Scott Roboleski has over 25 years of experience in the aerospace, aeronautic fields, oil and gas industry, working direct or as a consultant for many leading companies such as Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, Orbital Sciences, and Safran, formerly SNECMA. He has held secret and top secret clearances with an extensive background investigational by the United States Federal Bureau of Investigation, which is the FBI. He was Deputy Director of Launch Nuclear Safety at Lockheed Martin Astronautics for the NASA New Horizons satellite that recently flew by Pluto on the Kuiper belts. In addition, I always butcher his name every time because of the way it's wrote. Roboreski has worked on many prestigious and exciting projects, such as the recent Pluto mission, the Defense Department's high-speed superconductive project, Boeing 727, 737, and Fokker passenger-to-freighter conversions, the Conestoga launch vehicle, Ariane 4 and 5 launch vehicles, European rocket system, the Atlas V launch vehicle, the Taurus launch vehicle, and the Hubble Space Telescope repair mission. He has also worked on many commercial aircraft and military projects, such as the Airbus A380, the Boeing 777, the Boeing B-1 bombers, Boeing's Chinook helicopter, and multiple classified and unclassified satellites. Mr. Roboleski graduated from the Pennsylvania State University with a bachelor's in science degree in aerospace engineering in 1986 and attended graduate studies in the engineering, science, and mechanicals department. Mr. Roboreski's compensation agreement calls for his compensation to be not less than $50,000 per annum, and I'm not sure, it's just as annum. All right, that's where it left off. So they have a new CEO, and based on the description of the gentleman, he is an experienced person that has obviously a lot of experience within aerospace and everything else. So if you have an opinion, or if you're interested in researching more about NuState Energy Holdings, go right over to the NSEH board over there on Investors Hangout, and you can basically pull up the latest filings, the recent news, the time and sales, company profile. If you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily.
All right, there we go. NSEH again, 0005. This is a must-hold level. Needs buying to return to get a close above 0008. Resistance at 0007, 8, and 0010. Support at 0005 is a must-hold again. NSEH, if you follow the stock, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button to stay updated with the hottest stocks in the market. And if you have a stock that you're following that you'd like to see us take a look at, head over to investorshangout.com/live.